Hi guys, so I'm back with part 2 of showing you how I am about to use this flaxseed gel. I made a big batch and this is about 3 cups in here. So I'm about to do a wash and go. I just washed my hair, that's why it's tied up in this t-shirt. Yeah, I know I'm looking a hot mess right now, but I haven't put anything in my hair. It's kind of damp, so I'm about to use this real quick to see what I can achieve. So here it is on my hair. So I have a little bit of oil mixture left that I made that I always mix up, so that's what I'm about to put in my hair right now. So I went ahead and I washed my hair with these two. I got them in, I can't remember what box I got them in, but I just quickly washed my hair with these. I didn't add any oils or anything to this flaxseed gel because I just wanted to see how it is, but I just didn't want it to dry my hair out, so that's the reason why I added the oil to my hair. So I'm just gonna brush it out for a little bit. I'm gonna do it in small little sections. I think I need to part this in two. Let me get it home. So I'm gonna work in sections. It's a little damp, it's still, and here I have all of this. Just raking it through to see what it's looking like. Then I don't really want to put too much, but I want it to have a good amount. Or should I brush it? Let's see if I brush it. So I don't think I want to brush it. I'll just rake it through with my hands. I'm putting too much in my hair. I have no idea. This is what I've done so far. I don't know what to think because this is the first time I am doing this on my hair. I've never done a wash and go before because one, I don't like using gel in my hair. is what I have so far. I'm just gonna try and lay my edges and see how well this thing dries. Hi guys, so I came back with the final look for my hair. It dried like, I want to say probably like 90%. It's still a little wet, but it's mainly wet at the ends, and you can still see where it's wet because it looks a little bit white. But this is how it's looking, my sides. That's the final look for using my DIY flaxseed gel. It's not so bad. I would say this is the first time I am doing a wash and go, and I actually like it. It's like I don't like using gel in my hair. That's one of the reasons why I never do wash and goes, and I hate the shrinkage. The shrinkage is one of my problems, but I kind of like how it looks. I really do. Like, look at that, guys. Look at all that shrinkage. It shrunk my hair so much. That's why I never really do wash and goes ever. So, but this is different. I just wanted to see what making the gel would do to my hair, but I'm gonna try and do some different styles with it. So stay tuned for that, and I just wanted to share my wash and go with you guys. Bye.